I can't decide if I like me an orange or if I hate it. So today's vlog of fall. So fall began yesterday, and immediately fall came, and the weather was just like, oh yeah, cold. It is cold, and it gets really, I don't know what temperature. It's probably like 60 degrees or like 50, probably 50 degrees. But it's perfect weather. This is fall weather. I love fall so much. So today is kind of like a work day, because my dad's off. Thursdays are work days, so I decided why not make like a fall kind of working. So I don't know why I'm just waltzing through the entire. I have to fix the goat pen because a couple of our goats are pregnant and very close to having their baby, so I had to get that fixed. I don't know if you have seen or noticed, but the goats have not been in the pen. They have been free rein, running around the property, and their pens are in really bad shape. But now it is time to get them back up, because now they're going to have to become dependent on me again for winter. Because they have been doing good summer because, you know, grass. But now they need food and hay. So first things first is to fix the goat pen, and I will take you out there to show you. And we are replacing some boards on the house and stuff. So just work. Out by the goat pen, here's my little goats. They seem very interested in what I'm doing. This is Evelyn. Look at how big Evelyn has gotten. Remember when she was just a little baby? You probably don't. Well, but I remember. She was tiny. And this is Annabelle. Hello. Bonnie is currently pregnant. You can't tell from here, but she is. Hi, Bonnie. That one right there. That is, did I just forget my goat's name? That's Artie. Look at how big he is. And then Clyde is also very big. Look at these horns. Look at these horns. Look at those horns. Here's Rachel and Leah. They are also very big. What? There is Bella. I think she's also pregnant. Jolene. Over there is Bonnie. That Bonnie's right there. The one behind her, I can't. Okay, so that's one of the twins. So what are these names again? Why am I blank? Oh, here's Bonnie. See, you can see now. And also, another way to tell is her udders, where milk is very big right now. What? Uh-oh. I'm in the line of fire of two billy goats. You're being really cute right now. What's the big deal? You trying to get something from me? Is that why you're being so cute? She's trying to eat my fingers. I smell like apples, and I made the mistake of giving one of the goats apples, so now they're all crowded around. Are you going to have a baby soon? And you're going to have it in the freezing cold, so then I have to do extra work? Yes, is that what you're going to do? They always have them when it's freezing. I don't know why. No, don't eat my fingers. That is so annoying that I don't remember those two twins' names. It's on the tip of my tongue, and I cannot remember. It's written in a notebook somewhere. But anyway, the thing we're doing right now is this pen. So you've seen this pen before. It's the one where I think no, Evelyn was born in this pen. I think it's the only goat that was born here. You got a tarp, some random boxes. But the thing is, I had to fix it up around the edges right here, because they can stubbornly squeeze their way out. So, thank you. Wow! And then the door needs to have a little more reinforcement, because it's not the best thing. You're being adorable. Stop it. Stop, girl. Okay. You want an apple? No, apple. Yes. Apple. Uh-oh. Yummy. Yummy. Wait, watch this. Watch this. Wait. You can sit right right here, I think. I think you can sit right here. Yeah, you can. Wow, look at this. Okay. How do I? Okay. No. Oh my gosh, you're huge. I'm sorry. So she's blossoming. And her ligaments, which normally soften up when they're about to have babies, are still hard. So she's still about a couple days or a week away. You? Oh, you're caving in. Well, I guess it's just you. This Dolly. When did you last have your baby? What baby's yours? Those two? Yeah, that's them. That was me. Headbutt me. Actually, don't headbutt me, please. Okay. Anyway, so I need to start figuring out what I need to fix and then go get the tools for it. Okay, guys. So I just did what I could on the goat pen. Got the door kind of fixed back up and patched up this place over here with rocks. Rocks and logs work so much better than like store-bought boards or zip ties and stuff. Just put logs at the bottom of your pen. They work 100 times better. They like never fail us. So just did that. I'm gonna go see what everybody's doing because it got really quiet over there for some reason. So yeah, I will update you later with what I'm reading. Hi guys, so I'm outside right now at the goat pen and the goat had baby. So I just found out that Bonnie's pregnant this morning. You remember when I started this video, I was like, oh, and Bonnie's pregnant. Yeah, I didn't know. That's what she meant. But look at these adorable little faces. Hi. But right now, oh, just look at them for a second. I probably will be doing a whole separate video on them, apart from this vlog, because that's what I normally do. Oh my gosh, they're very sweet. Oh, I don't know why they like to lay like that. Hi. We're getting the extension cord right now for the heating lamp because it is a little chilly and we just got this whole bale of hay and I'm putting it in the lean-to, which you can't see at all right now. Oh, battery's too low. Never mind. But just putting hay in the lean-to right now. There's a nail in here that I thought we could hook it on, but it doesn't want to hook. Let me out. I will not. You're trapped in that. It's freezing out here. Go get Mom. Come and lock me in here. No, wait, come and lock me. What the? Okay. Okay, fine. You're free. So let me plug it in there. Ta-da! I've become a goat. No! You were already a stubborn goat. So I'm getting her back. She reversed Uno'd me. Emily's a goat now. Wait, why would you do that? Oh. Okay. So we have the baby goats all fixed up. And I'm going to show you them because they're cute. Also, it is dropping down. Ooh, that looks so pretty when it's like this. I love it. It is dropping down to 46 tonight. So yeah, that's something. Yeah, so that's happening. But I don't know if you can't see anything, can you? No, you can't. So let me swipe this down. Hi. Can you see anything? I doubt you can, but if you can, yay. And there they are. Got a huge pile of hay. That one's tired. And they're doing good. Yeah, so I can't believe she had babies. I cannot believe that. I'm gonna wake up a couple times during the middle of the night and go check on them because, you know, I need to because, it's cold. It's gonna be real cold and it's their first night of being born, so, now I have to go take a shower because I've been out for like 2 hours and I stank. Okay, so, yeah, I will update you later. I'll probably wake up at like 1 a.m. and then wake up at 3 a.m. and then also wake up at 5 a.m. and then just stay. I'm not gonna get any sleep, but I'll make sacrifices for my goat. Okay. I can't see. Oh, I left the flashlight. Hi Waverly. It's currently 2:30 a.m. and I'm going to do my first checkup on the baby goats. Okay. Hi, sweetie pies. Hi. Oh, you're doing good. Look at him. They're so cute. So, my next checkup time is 4:30 a.m. Hi. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just checked. This is a girl. Oh my goodness. Are you a girl? Oh. I can see my breath. Bro, no. 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 No, you've got to be joking. Okay, well, let me check out the other ones, like a boy or a girl. I'm sorry. Never mind, it's sleeping. I don't want to wake it up. What the heck? Oh. I think they're all up here. No, Mac. Goodbye. Okay. Going back, and I have to be quiet at the house, so that's why I'm whispering. Okay. Okay, so it is 5:30. The next checkup time. Oh my gosh, it's cold. They're still good. the other girl, Eleanor, but Eleanor is like really old in the book, and I just think that'd be weird. Last night I scared my sister to death because she was sleeping out on the porch and she didn't know what I was doing, so I was just going in and out of the doors, and she came like halfway down the staircase and I went back inside and she's like, "What are you doing?" And then she was like, "You little creep." It was quite funny. Also, it took me like 20 minutes to go back to sleep last night. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking right now, like a little bit. Okay. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? That one's still sleeping. They sleep like that. How is that comfortable? I don't know. Okay. Well, good night. Good night. Got lots more hay, and all the goats are out here. The billy goat is rolling that one. Okay, let's go back. I'm freezing and ready to make coffee. I'm not taking my jacket off. It is so, oh my gosh, I can see my breath. I'm doing graphic design. I found out, I don't know if you guys know about it, but I made a whole thing about these bookmarks and I put them up on my website, and so now I am creating a TBR bookshelf for my website thing. So that was cool, and I've been experimenting with it for like 5 days now, and they're going really good, so I'm just working on that. It is so cold. It is absolutely freezing. There's no way it's 62 degrees down out here. It feels like 30. Okay, I gotta go inside. You can't even see how pretty it looks. So, okay, I was just, for the past, like, I don't know, 20 minutes, I've been watching Starlight Manga. She's like my number one supporter. And I haven't watched any of her videos because I haven't been watching YouTube really. I just did, and oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. You can't really see in the time lapse, but I was dying. Her editing is to the T perfect. Like, it was killing. So definitely go check her out because she's just too nice. I don't understand. So, yeah, there's that. I can't be out here anymore. It is way too cold, and I have to go check on the baby goats in just a minute. Going to do another checkup on the. Eat him up, eat him up. So guys, let me just say that I did not get enough sleep in these clips. I was tired, and when I get tired, I find everything, and I mean, I look depressed. I find everything funny, so don't be worried about me. I'm just tired, and I will laugh at everything for the next couple of clips, so just don't be worried, okay? Hi! Hi! Oh. Hi! Hello! Oh, you're really warm. Why are you just staring at me like that? So we have one boy and one girl, which is perfect. So the black one is the boy. Oh my gosh, do you see all that dust? Jeez. Okay, wait. You can't see anything. Okay, so. The white one, the white-ish one, is a girl, and the black one is a boy. So that means I can name them Ferret and Maggie. Yes. Do you like that name? Whoa, why does it keep doing that? Okay, so either Ferret or Maggie, and I'm trying to think of another. Okay, so there's these books that I really liked. I still like them. They're these really short books. It's like the Island of Aquarius, like the Escape from the Island of Aquarius, and like the Dragon Gate or something. And there's siblings, a boy and a girl. I need to find out the names, and maybe I can name them that. But here they are. Oh, they're doing so good. Okay, stop. Why are you holding a grudge? But look at how freaking cute they are. I just want to hug them. I can come out here and read later. I love baby goats. Baby goats are literally my happiness. Get over how I said that. Eat 'em up, eat 'em up. It's from the thing I said, eat 'em up, eat 'em up. Please say you got that. Somebody please say they got that. Because, like, Thank you. It's a fun little rascal. It's not a, it's a really old show, but it's okay. You're cute. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside and I'll probably come. Oh my gosh. Hello. Okay. I don't know why I felt the need to sprint in this clip, but I will say it was very fun. Okay, so we found our names and what, if they're boy or girl, this is Jay, and this is Lila. It's it's siblings from a book I read.
Hey, what's new?
Could you guess?
Reached for what it was given. I'm not grateful, so I can clearly not choose the wine in front of you.
So
But you must have
confusing.
known I was not a great fool. You would have counted on it, so I can clearly not choose the wine in front of me.
Hello guys, and it is the next day, so pretty much I didn't wake up in the middle of the night because I fell asleep before my mom could even get the phone to me before the alarms. I did wake up at 6 a.m. to check on them though, but here they are. They're doing real good. They're now out of lean-to, running around. Say hi! They're real jumpy. They ran out. Chaos. But they are doing really good. Here is Lila. Wait, did I tell you their name? I think I did, but if you do not know, this is Jay. Hi, Jay. And this is Lila. They're real cute. And they're doing real good. The goats are pretty good about staying away from them. Not really, though. I just had to get them all out just now because they came in here and we're trying to get them. Oh. But anyway, also, to show you one more thing. I don't know why, but this goat right here is terrified of me. I don't know what I ever did to her, but she just does not like me. She won't let me near her. And then her brother, the billy goat, is like the sweetest thing. I don't understand. Okay. Hello? Okay, so what I want to show you is something was getting our chicks down where the pen is. Something was eating them, and we lost 4 chicks in 2 days. So I made this, and like, don't judge it because I made it in like 10 minutes. But here are the chicks. They're very happy. They survived through the night, and they're doing very good. We actually got these for $1/4 a piece at Tractor Supply because they were like trying to get them sold. So, hi. They've got food and water, and then they can get up here if they want by this branch, but they're completely fine with staying down there. But that's just my farm update. I'm gonna go inside now, and I think I'm in a bit of a reading slump. I'm trying to get out of it right now, but now I'm gonna edit for a bit, and then we'll just see what happens. Talk later. It's not like I'm forward to, but I'm gonna be doing the checkup again tonight. Hopefully, 2:30 and then 5:30. So, yeah. Okay, guys. It is 5:30 a.m. Doing my checkup. I didn't do like a middle of the night checkup because I was too quiet, but I just said I didn't do a checkup because I was too quiet. I meant to say because I was too tired. Obviously, I'm still too tired in these clips. Here I am at 5 a.m. and I actually woke up naturally. So that's kind of, here we go. Hi. Oh. I love foggy mornings. I would like to spend my time outside, but it is freezing. I feel like it gets colder as like the morning comes. It's real weird. Beautiful. Okay, hi. So it is 6:33. It's the morning, and oh my gosh, definitely feeling fall this morning. It's freezing out here. So that's great. I like the cold. But in the mornings, it's just annoying, okay? I like getting cozied up, but in the mornings, I normally sit on the couch on the deck because I can't sit anywhere else inside, so I don't sit outside because I can be loud, not that loud, but I can be loud and talk and do video updates outside on the deck, but I can't inside because everybody's still asleep. So that's a problem, but hi, I haven't updated you in a while. I don't even know where this vlog is in time right now. I don't know what I did last in this vlog, but hi, I guess. I'm not going to be doing the editing right now because I've been on the phone for long enough. I've been on the phone for like 40 minutes, which isn't bad. I guess that's not bad, but, I still don't want to be on it anymore. But this is the book, okay. This is the book I'm reading, Love Comes Softly by Janetta Oak, and I'm in a bit of a reading slump, so I'm not getting that feeling I normally get whenever I'm reading romance like that. Oh my gosh, they're gonna fall in love, I'm kind of just like, if they fall in love, yay, ? Which is a really sad feeling, and I hate it. Also, I was watching some of my old videos, and I used to wear my hair back in these buns. I called them twisty buns, and whenever I didn't have a hair elastic with me, I would just put my hair back and I'd twist it, and it'd stick. These were the most unattractive things ever. Like, oh my gosh. Why did I do this? And I used to wear them all the time. I used to wear ponytails 24/7, and just these past months, just the past 2 months, I have been wearing my hair down. And I like it a lot better. So, you didn't not care about any of that, but okay. So I'm just going to sit out here, enjoy my pistachios. I'm going to drink my coffee, and then I'm going to go inside and heat up beans for breakfast. So yeah, I will see you later. One thing that's kind of creeping me out is that it's not light, and it should be. It's 6:36. Where in the world is the light? There is no light. I can't see the sun anywhere. Hello? So, in the book, literally,
he just complimented her sewing and like made eye contact with her, and I'm already feeling more emotions for this. I also just found out that he's a reader, but I'm already getting like that excitement. I'm talking to myself. I talk to myself a lot whenever I feel excitement for books. I look at my imaginary cameraman and I'm like, what? You know, do you do that? No. I still do not see any light. Do you see any light? I don't. There's no light, and it is 6:49. It's about to hit 7. Surely it's 7:20. The sun will be coming up. If it's not, then I'm scared, and I'm going inside. I think I'll read. I'll definitely read until 7. That's only 10 minutes. I'm in the more mood to read, so let's try to beat my reading slump. Feeling very excited. Hi. So I have to be a little bit quiet. Because it's night right now and I can't be loud. Because everybody's kind of in bed. My sister's actually downstairs. I still have to be quiet. I need to end this vlog here because I went back and saw some of the footage and it's going to turn out to be like 15 minutes long and that's not good. And also, you can hear my dad snoring in the background. I didn't know he was snoring that loud. Oh no. Okay, whatever. Shout out to Dad. Oh my gosh, I'm crying. Lollipop, lollipop, lolly. So I really need to end it so I can just end my clip sorting chaos because I have to sort a lot of clips for this video and it's going to be very, very complicated and I really don't feel like dealing with it, but I'm going to have to because I'm not going to throw this like video away. This turned out to be a chaotic vlog. There's lots of animal work in it. Oh shoot. I'll try to get a clip of the chicken pen that we built. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. And I will see you in my next video. Or maybe I won't. I'm joking. So this is the new chicken pen we built. I thought I should show you because I didn't get a clip of it. But it's in the garden, so yeah.